Thorough bathroom cleaning. After a long time, I thoroughly cleaned the bathroom. I'm so tired. It took 3 hours to clean every corner. I always clean the sink and bathroom frequently, but I was worried about scale and small mold appearing in the bathroom. Because I normally only use one type of detergent and just clean there quickly. This time I used a special detergent for bath mold and a descaling liquid to make it shiny. My body hurts because I've been doing it in a half-sitting posture all the time, but I feel great now. Sometimes it's good to do a thorough clean.